We will start by cooking the pasta in the salted water according to the directions on the package. We will cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, while our pasta is cooking, we will prep our chicken breast. We will lightly pound chicken breast with a meat mallet to flatten slightly. I aim for about half-inch thickness. And then, we will season chicken breast with 1 teaspoon salt and the paprika. About half teaspoon black pepper. We will turn it around and also season the other side. So now the noodles are al dente or slightly firm to bite. We will drain it and set aside. We will now proceed to cooking our chicken breast. We will place a large skillet over medium heat and add the olive oil. About 1 tablespoon olive oil. Once the oil has heated, we will add the chicken breast and cook for 6 to 8 minutes on each side till the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Remember, the thinner the chicken, the faster it will cook. After that, we will remove the chicken breast from the skillet and allow to rest for 5 minutes. Before we will cut into half-inch thick slices. In the meantime, we will add butter to the skillet and set it over medium heat. Once it is melted, we will add 4 cloves garlic minced. And then we will add 2 cups of sliced chestnut mushrooms or any mushroom you have. Cook for 5 minutes or until mushrooms are tender. We will stir it to make sure that the mushrooms are evenly cooked. After that, we will pour in the 2.5 cup heavy cream, and add 1.5 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. We'll season it with the remaining salt and pepper. We will allow the sauce to simmer and reduce by 1/3. When the sauce is thickened slightly, we will add the pasta and gently mix all together to coat. We will plate it all together. We will add the cut chicken breast to the plate and garnish with some parsley. And top with a little Parmesan cheese. There you go, our Chicken Fettuccine Alfredo. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!